So good morning all. Welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. Hello, am I audible to you? Good morning all. Am I audible to you? Am I audible? Visible to you? Okay. Right. So in the last session actually the part 4 up to 39 problems we have completed. Okay, today we are going to discuss the rest of the problems and also problems based on even parametric form also. Okay. So any new viewers are there? Subscribe, like, subscribe and share. Okay. So now today let us move to the 41st problem. Okay. So I don't have the idea, that I will discuss later. Right. Parabola part 5. Part 5. Okay, now 30. Question number 30. The sum and product sum and product of the slopes of the tangents of the tangents to the parabola y square is equal to 4x drawn from the point 2 comma minus 3 respectively are. First option 3 upon 2 comma 1 upon 2. Second option minus 3 upon 2 comma 1 upon 2. Third option minus 3 upon 2 comma minus 1 upon 2. Fourth one 3 upon 2 comma minus 1 upon 2. This is the question. So let me read the question once again. Here the sum and product of the slopes of the tangents to the parabola y square is equal to 4x drawn from an external point 2 comma minus 3 respectively are. That means sum of the slopes of the tangents and we need to find out the product of the slopes of the tangents. Okay. So now that means sum product of the slopes to the parabola from an external point 2 comma minus 3. So now 30th solution. 30th solution. Here given y square is equal to 4x. Here 4a equals to 4. So we can find out a value whose value equal to 1. Next external point given, say x1 comma y1. x1 comma y1 equals to 2 comma minus 3 given. And next what we need to find out now. For example, the figure will be like this. The two tangents are drawn like this. Say the from external point P, A, B. Slope of this tangent is m1. Slope of this tangent is m2. So sum of the slopes. Sum of the slopes is equal to m1 plus m2 equals to, we have the formula y1 upon x1. That means ordinate by abscissa. That is minus 3 upon 2. So sum of the slopes. Okay, we got it now. Product of the slopes. Product of the slopes is equal to product of the slopes whose value is m1 times m2 is given by a upon x1. A already determined 1. So 1 upon abscissa. Abscissa is how much? 2. So 1 upon 2. Therefore minus 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2 is the right answer. So that means second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Right. Vaishnavi, Suma, Swati, Vaibhav, Pushpa, Pararami Reddy. Correct. Okay, now let us move to the 31st problem. 31st problem. So I don't have the idea Lokesh. Ajay Khanna. Okay, 31st problem. 31st. Pole of the line, x minus 2y plus 4 equals to 0 with respect to the parabola y square equals to 6x is. First option is minus 4 comma 6. Second one 4 comma minus 6. Third one 4 comma 6. Fourth option minus 4 comma minus 6. This is the question. Still not yet decided. Okay. Pole of the line x minus 2y plus 4 equals to 0 with respect to the parabola y square is equal to 6x. So that means we have the shortcut formula to find out the pole. The pole of the line Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 with respect to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax need to be remembered. So let us recall that formula. That is the standard result, or we can say that shortcut formula also. Shortcut formula. So what is the shortcut formula means? Pole of the line Lx plus my plus n equals to 0 with respect to with respect to parabola, with respect to the parabola, y square equals to 4ax is, so you remember this formula, very simple, n upon L minus 2a m upon L. So with the help of this we need to find out. Right. So now here this will be 4a, 4a equals to 6, a equals to 6 upon 4, 6 upon 4 means 3 upon 2. Now this will be L equals to 1, m equal to y coefficient minus 2, n equal to constant term, that is 4, this will be L m n. So now the pole we need to find out. Pole equals to n, 4 upon 1 minus 2a. Minus 2a means minus 2 into 3 by 2. That will be minus 3 times minus 2 upon L is 1. So we have, this is 4 comma 6. 4 comma 6. Okay. Option 3 is the right option. 32nd problem. 32nd problem. Pole of the line 3x plus 4y minus 4 equals to 0 with respect to the parabola x square equals to 4y is, first option 3 upon 2 comma 1, second option 3 upon 2 comma minus 1, third option minus 3 upon 2 comma 1, fourth option minus 3 upon 2 comma minus 1. So that means the first model have been covered. Now we are going to cover the second model on the pole of the any line. But actually in the previous case the form of the parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. But whereas in this case the form of the parabola is x square is equal to 4ay. So that means you need to just observe what is the difference between the pole of the previous line and pole of this line. That you need to observe it. So understood now? Right. So write down the formula for this one, shortcut formula. Pole of the line, instead of line you take general line, Lx plus my plus n equals to 0 with respect to the parabola. With respect to the parabola, x square equals to 4ay is, so remember this one formula as minus 2al upon m comma n upon m. So that means now here from this one is, this is compared to this one, whereas the x square is equal to 4ay is compared to this one. Here we get now here 4a equals to 4, so a equals to 1. Now whereas L equals to 3, m equals to 4, n equals to minus 4. I think you may not get any confusion. Now the pole, according to the pole will be here minus 2a, minus 2 times into 3 upon m is 4, comma n means minus 4 upon 4, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. This equals to minus 3 upon 2, comma minus 4 by 4 is minus 1. So now you can expect the answer. Yes, Vaishnavi, you are correct. Mahesh, right. Minus 3 upon 2, comma minus 1. I think you got it. Suma, Lavanya, Swati, Vaibhav, Swati Singh. Right, next, let us move to the 33. Problem number 33. Not problem number 33. Let us discuss the concept. Next we go for the problems. Sorry. So next, parametric equations. Parametric equations. The parametric equations. The parametric equations. The parametric equations of a parabola y square equals to 4ax or x is equal to 2at x equal to 80 square, comma y is equal to 280. They are denoted by p of 80 square comma 280, or simply we can write p of t. P of t stands for 80 square comma 280, where t is a parameter. T is a parameter. Parameter means arbitrary constant. This parametric equations of a parabola. So next what we need to find out means, first one, slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent at p of t equals to 1 upon t. Next, slope of the normal at p of t. Very simple. So these two slopes must be minus 1. And next important point, the equation of the tangent at p of t at P of t is yt minus x minus at cube equal to 0. Okay, yt minus x minus at cube equals to 0. Next one is the equation of the normal at P of t is y plus xt y plus xt equals to 2at plus at cube, 2at plus at square. Right. So this is equation of the tangent. This is the equation of the normal. Parametric form also. They are called parametric form. Parametric form. Both are called parametric form. Right. Next. So next concept. For example, this is the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Two tangents are drawn from an external point. Say, for example, at P of T1, at P of T2. Now this say R is the point of intersection of these two tangents. So this R we need to find out. That means the point of intersection of the tangents drawn at T1, and drawn at T2. R we need to find out. That's why you note down the point of intersection of tangents drawn at T1 and T2 on the parabola y square equals to 4ax is a T1 T2 comma a times T1 plus T2. So this can be remembered like this. Very simple. Geometric mean of x coordinates of P and Q. Say this point is Q. Sorry. And next, this is the arithmetic mean of y coordinates. Okay. Right. Next concept. Instead of T1 comma T2, for example, the point of intersection of the tangents drawn at a x1 comma y1 and b x2 comma y2. That means Cartesian form also we can find out the point of intersection. So let us discuss the concept. The point of intersection, the point of intersection of tangents drawn at a of x1 comma y1 and b of x2 comma y2 on the parabola y square equals to 4ax is, that is, y1 y2 upon 4a comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. So like this also we can find out. Okay, now let us move to the questions now. Let us have a discussion. What is the question number? Last question number we have discussed. What is the question number we have discussed? 42. Yes, 43. 43. Question number 43. Right. Question number 43. Let's have a discussion on question number 43. Okay. PQ is the double ordinate of the parabola y square equals to 4ax, then the locus of points of trisection of the double ordinate is. So these type of questions are very important. So life teachings, what is the answer? Now tell me this question answer. 43rd question. What is the answer? I will wait for a few minutes. Okay. First option is 9y square equals to 4ax. Second option is 3y square equals to 4ax. Third option is 4y square equals to 9ax. Fourth one, 4y square equals to 3ax. This is the question. Right. PQ is the double ordinate of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax, then the locus of points of trisection of the double ordinate is, that we need to find out. Right. Now 43 answer, 43 solution. So this is the parabola. Let it be axis. Say this is the double ordinate. Double ordinate. Say this will be point P. This will be Q. Say this coordinate P coordinates will be 80 square comma to 80. As this is the actually x-axis, x-axis, this coordinate will be in fourth quadrant, 80 square comma minus 280, Q will be. Now this is the actually double ordinate. Double ordinate is the chord perpendicular to the axis, this x-axis, x dash. So this is the vertex A. Let us say R x1 comma y1 be the point of trisection of PQ. Now x1 comma y1 we need to find out. That means P point is, let us say, let P equals to 80 square comma to 80. Since PQ is the double ordinate, Q becomes 80 square comma minus 280. Let R x1 comma y1 be the points of trisection of PQ, which is double ordinate. So first we need to find out R coordinates. That means you take P coordinates like this, 80 square comma to 80. These are the P coordinates, whereas Q coordinates are given by 80 square comma minus 280. Here ratio is m is to n, you can take 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2 means multiply with 2, this is multiply with 1. So now R coordinates you are going to get like this. R coordinates is equal to 280 square plus 80 square, 380 square upon 2 plus 1 is 3, comma 480 minus 280, 280 upon 3. This will be R coordinates obviously 80 square comma 280 upon 3. But this is equal to what? X1 comma y1. So now we need to express in terms of x and y so that we get the actually, so that right, 80 square comma 280 upon 3 equals to x1 comma y1. We need to eliminate t from these two equations. So this can be done like this now. 80 square comma 280 upon 3 equal to x1 comma y1. That implies x1 is equal to 80 square, say equation 1, y1 equals to 280 upon 3. So t equals to, we can write 3y1 upon 2a. From equation 1, that implies, see, x1 equals to a times t square. T square means 9y1 square upon 4a square. So a gets cancelled. We have 9y1 square equals to 4ax1. Hence, locus of R of x1 comma y1 is, instead of x1 x you need to write, instead of y1 y, is given by 9y square equal to 4ax. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. So now, so first option is the right option, but don't worry, in the examination you need not do this lengthy method. Don't do lengthy method. Whenever this kind of problem is given, you remember like this. What is the given equation? Y square is equal to 4ax. This is the equation of the parabola. So now if you want to find out points of trisection of the double ordinate, means multiply this y square term with 9. So therefore required locus is 9y square equals to 4ax. Obviously the first option is the right option. Don't worry. So you need not worry about the method, but I need to explain the method, because in the offline so many viewers will watch it, they will get confusion. That's why I need to explain the method itself also. But don't worry, this kind of problem is given, just multiply y square term with 9. That's our answer. Okay, let us move to the next problem. Okay. 44th problem. 44th problem. The locus of the point of trisection point of trisection of the double ordinate of the parabola y square equals to 7x is, first option 3y square equals to 7x, second option minus 3y square equals to 7x, third option 9y square equals to 7x, fourth 27y square equals to 7x. This is the question. Now anybody knows the answer now, right? Very simple technique. What we need to do it now? Very simple technique. Simple tip. Very simple tip here. Write down equation of the parabola, that is y square is equal to 7x. Now multiply y square term with 9. So therefore required locus is 9y square equals to 7x. Obviously third option is the right option. So you remember one thing, if you know the method, so after that you need to apply the tip or any shortcut that will be forever we can remember. We will not forget it. We will not forget it. That's why even though time taken I explained, but in the meantime in the examination, what will you do means you adopt this method. Understood now? Concept as well as the method. Forty-five. 45. Okay, Nageshwaradi, Rajesh, Lavanya, Suma. Where is Balu? Life teachings. The normal, the normal to the parabola, the normal to the parabola, y square is equal to 8x at 2 comma 4 meets the parabola again at, this is very important question, again at first option 18 comma 12, second option 18 comma minus 18 comma 12, third option minus 18 comma minus 12, fourth option 18 comma minus 12. So this is the question. First read the question carefully, then try to understand the concept and what sort of formula need to be applied, then we need to decide. So while actually we are discussing about the problem, understood now? So first let me read the question for the clarity. The normal to the parabola y square is equal to 8x at 2 comma 4 meets again the parabola at which point? The point need to be evaluated here, right? Normal to the parabola y square is equal to 8x at 2 comma 4. Again it meets at which point? That we need to decide now, right? 45 solution. 45 solution. So this is the parabola whose equation is y square equals to 8x. Now normal. So you draw the tangent here. For example, say at P point, this is the normal. Meets again the parabola at Q point. The Q coordinates we need to find out. P coordinates are given, that is 2 comma 4. Okay, this is the our question. So now let us find out now. Right. Okay, given y square equals to 8x. That means we have 4a equals to 8. A to leave it. We know the a value. Let us say p equals to 80 square comma 280, but whose value is 2 comma 4. That means we have 280 equals to 4. A is 2. 4t is equal to 4. Now t value is parameter is 1. t is equal to 1. We have one important condition in actually board examination you have studied. The normal to the parabola at t meet the parabola at t1. Then t1 is given at t2. For example, at t1, t2. Now I will write that note also. This is very important. The normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax at p of t1, just like this point. You see, p of t1 meets again at q of t2. Then t2 equals to minus t1 minus 2 by t1. So you remember this result. This result is very important to find out. So now this q point now. Now we need to find out t2. This t2 we need to find out. See, the t2 equals to, you can write already, say this is better, t1 square and 2at1, say t1. So t1 is equal to 1, you get minus 1 and minus 2 upon 1. This will be minus 3. T2 is minus 3. Understood now? Now easily we can find out the q coordinates. The q coordinates are given by t2 means very simple. They are at2 square comma 2at2. Respective values substitute. A stands for how much? 2. T2 stands for minus 3. 2 times T2 square is minus 3 square, 9, comma 2a. 2a means 2 into 2, 4. T2 is minus 3. So we have 18 comma minus 12. So just observe, anything is wrong? Am I correct? Generally, even myself also, I used to commit a plus or minus mistakes. Is it correct now? Thank you. 18 comma minus 6. Right, Pranav. Right. First concentrate on this class. Vepa. Yes, fourth option. And check the solution also. Right. 46th question. The length of the chord intercepted by thank you Siddhartha. Sai Gorre. Who is Sai Gorre? Ajay Babu. Intercepted by 3x minus 4y plus 8 equals to 0 on the parabola y square is equal to 8x is. The length of the chord intercepted by 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0 on the parabola y square is equal to 8x. Okay. No problem, you can leave. Right. Now the length of the chord intercepted by 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0 on the parabola y square is equal to 8x is. See, after completion of this problem, I will give one suggestion to all the viewers. These kind of problems you need to practice at least 2 or 3 problems you need to practice, because all these problems are based on formula based questions. Since formula based on questions, first you need to do, after completion of my session, once again you watch that problem and try to solve the problems from other materials. Yes, Vamshi. Thank you. So now first option is 80 upon 9, second option is 80 upon 3, third option is 80 upon 27, fourth option is 80 upon 81. This is the question. Right. Length of the chord intercepted by 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0 on the parabola y square is equal to 8x. 80 upon 3. Okay, I will check. Here see, the figure will be like this. This is the parabola whose equation is y square is equal to 8x. Generally the line meets the parabola like this. Say it intersects at P and other point is Q. The length of the chord we need to find out, this distance from P to Q. PQ you need to find out. Understood now? So that means actually here one important note you write down, all of you. You need to remember this one. If the line y is equal to mx plus c intersects the parabola y square is equal to 4ax, then the length of the chord is given by the formula 4 upon m square. M is the slope of the line, root over a times a minus emc plus 1 plus m square. This formula you need to remember. So this you need to write separate notebook. You need to maintain for all the standard results, locus problems, formulae. You need to refer while going to the examination. Right. So that means first of all this equation need to put in this form, y is equal to mx plus c form. We need to find out m value and c value. So this parabola equation is compared to this one, we need to find out here. Just substitute in this formula, you get length of the chord. This PQ length we can find out. See now 46 solution. So y square is equal to 8x. That implies 4a equals to 8. So a equals to 2. Am I correct now? The equation should be put in the form of y is equal to mx. So 4y equals to 3x plus 8. Divide by 4. So we get y equals to 3 upon 4x. 8 by 4 is 2, which seems to be rather y equals to mx plus c. Am I correct? Here, having been compared m equals to 3 upon 4, and C equals to 4. Now length of chord as for our figure, that is PQ, length of PQ is equal to, what is the formula we have? 4 upon m square root of a times a minus mc 1 plus m square. Just substitute the respective values. Substituting respective values, so this is equal to 4 upon m square. M square means 3 by 4 whole square, 9 upon 16 root of a stands for 2, 2 minus m, 3 by 4 times c is how much? 2, 1 plus m square, 1 plus 9 upon 16. So we need to simplify. 4 upon 1 times 16 upon 9 root of 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4. Okay, now what do you get now here? This 2 into 3 by 4 means 2 gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled. We have minus 3 only. 4 minus 3. If you open this bracket, you get 4 minus 3. This will be 1 plus 9 by 16 is 16 plus 9, 25 upon 16. This will be 1, leave it now. This is equal to, we can write now 64 upon 9 multiplied by square root of 25 is 5 upon 4. 4 1 ja, 4 16 ja. This will be 80 upon 9 is the answer. 80 upon 9. I think you will be better than me. You can easily, you have a lot of calculation potential with you. Rather you will do better than me. So yes, you did correctly. Wonderful. 80 upon 9. Which is the right option? So let me check. First option is the right option. Am I correct now? First option is the right option. All of you understood? Where is Balu? Where is Narla? Dhruamsh? Dishwank? Pramila? Swati Singh? Vinayaki? Suma? Yadav? Jay Kanna? Okay. This chapter is very easy chapter. Right. Forty-seventh question. 47th question. Okay. Kalyani. The polar of any point P with respect to the circle x square plus y square equal to a square touches the parabola y square equals to 4ax. Then the locus of P is, the locus of P is first option, y square minus ax equals to 0. Second option, y square plus 2x equals to 0. Third one, y square minus 3ax equals to 0. Fourth option, y square plus ax equals to 0. This is the question. So life teachings, you know the life. In a life we have so many problems. How can you solve your life problems? In the similar manner, the mathematics is just like a life only. So to lead our life, we need to concentrate on the everything. Thank you. Maybe postponed, I don't have the idea, but it will be conducted surely. Okay. The polar of any point P with respect to the circle first, x square plus y square is equal to a square, touches the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Then the locus of P we need to find out. Locus of this P point we need to find out. That means you remember, now the problem is actually connected to the circle to the parabola here. That means polar of the circle becomes tangent to the circle, tangent to the parabola. Since it becomes to the tangent to the parabola, the condition for tangency need to be applied here. What is the condition for the tangents to the parabola? Means Andhra Cm, A is equal to Cm. So then first polar equation you need to find out with respect to the circle. There we need to write find out m, slope of the line, and x-intercept, y-intercept C. Substitute in the condition for tangency so that we get locus of P. Can we proceed? First, but all these things, whatever I said, this is the strategy. This is called strategy. This strategy we need to develop so that we can solve any problem. One minute. Let me add some more pages. Okay, 47 solution. 47 solution. Let P of x1 comma y1 be the pole with respect to, we need to give respect, with respect to circle x square plus y square equal to a square. That implies equation of polar of P with respect to circle is notation S1 is equal to 0. That implies xx1 plus yy1 equals to a square. Now yy1 equals to, we can write minus x1 times x minus a square divided by y1. So this can be written y1 equals to minus x1 upon y1 times x minus a square upon y1. That means here slope m is equal to minus x1 upon y1. Constant term is minus a square upon y1. This is the first part. 2 or 3 questions may come. Right. Next, let us come to the now parabola. Parabola means condition for tangency, right? So this becomes, so this 1 becomes 1 equation 1 is the tangent to y square is equal to 4ax. Condition for tangency. A is equal to Cm. A means A only here. C is minus a square upon y1 times m. M means minus x1 upon y1. So that means what do you get now here? Right. C is equal to a by m. Right. Here a gets cancelled. Something I did mistake. So plus a square. Wait. Yes, exactly. What I did. This will be plus. Okay, plus a square. Correct. So now this will be plus a square. Now we can write a gets cancelled. We have 1 equals to minus ax1 upon y1 square. That implies y1 square equals to minus ax1. Locus of p. Locus of p is instead of y1 y, instead of x1 x. So y square equals to minus ax. Or we can write y square plus ax equals to 0. This is the answer. Okay. $48. So option 4 correct? Okay, option 4. But I am not able to get that page. We leave it now. Now 48 question. 48. If the normals at two points on the parabola y square is equal to 4ax intersect again on parabola. That means on same parabola. Then the product of 2 points, product of the ordinates of 2 points is okay. First option is 4a square. Second option is minus 4a square. Third option is 8a square. Fourth option is minus 8a square. This is the question. First read the question carefully. Then after that you start for solving the problem. Okay. If the normals at 2 points on the parabola y square is equal to 4ax intersect again on the parabola, then the product of the ordinates of those 2 points we need to find out. Let us say, for example, the normals at P of T1 at Q of T1 meet the parabola at T3 or at T, you can say. Then we need to find out the product of the ordinates. Product of the ordinates means product of the y coordinates of P comma Q we need to find out. So let us solve this problem. If the normals at 2 points on the parabola y square is equal to 4ax intersect again on the parabola, then product of the ordinates of the 2 points we need to find out. Option 3. Let us see. 48 solution. First let me draw the figure. See, normal at this point P, normal at Q meets at this point. Say P of T1, this is Q of T2. Say at R of T. So we need to relate this T with T1 and T2. Okay. Right. Here one condition we need to remember. This condition, all of you note down please. If the normals drawn at P of T1 and P of Q of T2 intersect the parabola y square is equal to 4ax again at R of T, then this relation we have T1 into T2 equals to 2 and T1 plus T2 equals to minus T. This relation you need to remember. This is very, very important relation. Okay. So now here we can do like this, but P equals to AT1 square comma 2AT1. Am I correct? So now we can write Q equals to AT2 square comma 2AT2. But what we are asked actually here, product of ordinates. Product of ordinates. Don't get any confusion. Ordinate means y coordinates. Y coordinates means these two. Product of 2AT1 and 2AT2. So 2AT1 times 2AT2. That is 2a into 2a 4a square T1 into T2. Already important note is there. T1 into T2 is 2. 4a square times 2. So this will be 8a square is our desired answer. I already uploaded a video on the weightage of the Eamcet. Please go through that one. You can find in the playlist. But this you need to remember. This is very important. Important concept to hear. Third option. 49th question. 49th question. Sham. Jayasri. After long time, Jayasri. If the normal to the parabola y square equals to 4ax at p meets the curve again at q. Oh, great. I think you are from Kakinada. And y1 comma y2 be the ordinates of PQ. Then y1 times y2 equals to first option is minus a square, second option is minus 2a square, third option is minus 3a square, fourth option is minus 4a square. Okay. So just observe carefully. Do not be hurry. We are from Srikakulam. Okay. See, let me read the question. The normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax drawn at P meet the curve again at Q. Then if y1, y2 are the ordinates of P and Q, then product of the ordinates we need to find out. Right, this is the solution. 49. This is the solution now. First let me draw the figure. This is the parabola. Normal drawn at T. T means P of at T1, say at1 square comma 2at1 meets again the parabola at Q, say at2 square comma 2at2. Right. So let me come to the please. Sorry, I have given wrong question. Question is wrong. See, this will be the question. y1, y2 be the ordinates of P. That means y1 is the ordinate of P and y2 midpoint of PQ. Then y1 into y2. Please change the question. This is the question. I did wrong. Right. So now say the midpoint r coordinates, means only we need to find out y coordinates. 2a t1 plus 2a t2, this will be, you will be getting like this: x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So that means you get like this: at1 square plus at2 square upon 2 comma 2a common, t1 plus t2 by 2. This will be, you can write a of t1 plus t2. So this is the y coordinate, this is the y coordinate. Product of these two we need to find out. Product of these two we need to find out. So that means, let us say here y1 equals to 2a t1. This is from P point, from P. Next, y2 equals to a of t1 plus t2. This is from midpoint R, from R. Okay, but we have relationship between, for example, if you say this point is Q of t, this point is P of t1, you have the relation between t2 and t1. We have t2 equals to, we can write like this, minus t1, I already discussed, minus 2 upon t1. So, and also t1 here, t1 plus t2 equals to, you can write minus 2 upon t1. So now we need to find out the product of these two. So y1 multiplied y2 equals to 2a t1 multiplied by a times t1 plus t2. Instead of t1 plus t2, substitute this value. That is 2a square times t1 multiplied by minus 2 upon t1. T1 gets cancelled. We have minus 4a square is the answer. Minus 4a square is the answer. Right. Fourth option is the right option. Now you can check the solution also. I will keep for 2 minutes. Question number 50. Okay. Question number 50. Half century. Length of the normal chord. Length of the normal chord drawn at one end of the lattice rectum of the parabola y square equals to 4ax is first option 4 root 2a, second option 8 root 2a, third option 2 root 2a, fourth option root 2 times a. So I think because yesterday I given the for this one, both are same. Actually SC certificate may be more valuable rather than that. Even cap also, no problem. Right. This question is very important. The length of the normal chord drawn at one end of the lattice rectum of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is. So that means draw the figure. This is the axis. So this lattice rectum, say L and L dash, suppose normal is drawn, meet at this point. So this is M. So now this is called normal chord. The length of normal chord LM we need to find out. That means if you know the equation of the LM, that is y is equal to mx plus c, the length of the chord of intercepted by y is equal to mx plus c on the parabola, we have the formula, we can find out. That means what is the plan means, we need to find out equation of the normal chord. Equation of the normal chord at L. L means we need to write the coordinates of L and then equation of the normal chord. After that, length of the chord shortcut we need to apply. 50 solution. 50 solution. First, end of lattice rectum write down. End of lattice rectum is L, that is everybody knows a comma 2a. Another one is a comma minus 2a, fourth quadrant, a comma 2a. Now equation of normal chord as for your figure you check it, LM at a comma 2a is given by, so that will be y minus y1 passing through equation of the line x1 comma y1 having the slope is minus y1 by 2a times x minus x1. Substitute this point is x1 comma y1 now. So now we get this equation is equal to equation of the normal chord is y minus 2a by 2a minus 1 of x minus a. So you get y equals to minus x plus a plus 2a. This will be minus x plus 3a. So it seems to be rather y is equal to mx plus c. Here m stands for comparing this one mx plus c, m equals to minus 1, c equal to 3a. Now length of the normal chord, shortcut, length of the normal chord, that is actually LM equals to shortcut. What is the formula we have? See, 4 upon m square root of a times a minus mc into 1 plus m square. Am I correct now? Just substitute by. Why did you come and why did you go? Right. So now we need to substitute. This equals to m is 1, so 4 times m square is 1 only, root over a. A stands for what? A only. A is from the parabola. A only. A minus mc. MC means actually here minus 1 into 3, minus 3a plus 3a you will be getting. 1 plus m square. M square means 1 plus 1. So you need to simplify this one. You need to simplify this one. So this equals to 4 times, see, a times 4a into a. 4a square into 2, 8a square. This will be 4 times square root of 8 is 2 root 2. Square root of a square is a. So it's very important, 8 root 2a. 8 root 2a. Okay, very good question, Suma, you asked. Find dy by dx. You get slope of the tangent. Okay, I will show you. See, y square equals to 4ax. So differentiate 2y dy by dx equals to 4a. dy by dx equals to 2a by y. This is slope of the tangent. Slope of the normal is minus 1 by m. That is minus y by 2a. So that means at x1 comma y1 that will be minus y1 by 2a. Understood, Suma? Thank you, thank you. You can ask doubts, no problem. Second one. Now check the solution, all of you. Check the solution. Don't worry. I will give the plenty of time to you. Don't worry. Because generally the students will feel this chapter is very difficult, conic section. But it is not difficult. Because I didn't take. Okay, Suma. Right. Generally even they will avoid this chapter also. But you need not avoid this chapter. Go on. Actually what happens now, even ellipse, even hyperbola also very easy rather than this parabola. Parabola is very easy. Even that is also very easy. Okay, Tarun Rayal, you can make a move, no problem. Right. You can make a move. Question number 51. Question number 51. One end of the focal chord of the parabola y square equals to 16x is 1 comma 4. Then the other end is that means one extremity of the focal chord of parabola y square is equal to 16x is given 1 comma 4. The other extremity need to be evaluated. So this is the question. One extremity of the parabola 1 comma 4. Other extremity of the focal chord we need to find out. So we cannot say because like that which chapter is more priority. This will be link. Each and every chapter is very important and concepts are very important. Yes, I will take the classes in Ecet also. Yes. True, that's true. One end of the focal chord of the parabola y square is equal to 16x is 1 comma 4. Then the other end we need to find out. So let me give the options first now. First option is 16 comma minus 16. Second one is minus 16 comma 16. Third option 16 comma 16. Fourth option minus 16 comma minus 16. This is the question. Okay, I will start later because actually they are hurry about the Eamcet examination. So generally I have been concentrating on the Eamcet first, then I go for JEE mains. Right. Vamshi Krishna, he knows Vikas. Vikas is our regular viewer. Don't worry. Just he's kidding, joking. 51. So this is the figure. Axis. For example, this is the focal chord. Say P passes through the focus S Q. Say this is at 80 square comma 280. Other extremes will be, I will give, Q will be A upon T square comma minus 2A upon T. That means if you are able to find out A value and T value, this can be determined. Q can be determined. So now write down now. That means you remember this one. Ends of a focal chord of a parabola y square is equal to 4ax or p 80 square comma 280 and q a upon t square comma minus 2a upon t. Okay, this is given that 1 comma 4. Am I correct now? So now, so I don't go to the now, already they have been recorded. Here 2at equals to 4. 2at equals to 4. Now what is the parabola equation? The parabola equation is y square is equal to 16x. That means you can find out 4a equals to 16, a value equal to 4. Substituting, a value is 4, this will be 8t equals to 4. T value equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, q coordinates equals to a means 4 upon t square 1 by 4 comma minus 2a minus 8 upon 1 by 2. It comes up 16 comma minus 8 into 2 minus 16. This is the answer. Fifty-two. Question number 52. Okay, sir, side. Tomorrow I will explain. Right. Both Eamcet. Both. 52. If the So one thing you do it, Sarath Sai, in the offline you type it. After completion of this session, below description you can find out the comment box. Just you type it that question. Tomorrow definitely I will discuss that question. Right? Because I need to check it, isn't it now? Right. Avinash Karthik Noli, after a long time, where had you been? If the locus of the point, t square minus 1 comma 2t represents a parabola, then its focus is then its focus is really, Nitik, I didn't have an idea. Actually, really I don't have also. Praveen Kumar Ketam Reddy, after a long time. Right. First option is 0, 1. Second option is 0, 2. Third option is 0, 0. Fourth option is 1, 0. Right. See, the locus of the point t square minus 1 2t represents a parabola. If you eliminate t, you will get locus. That locus is nothing parabola. Then we need to find out focus. So that means directly we can find out from this one vertex we can find out. Suppose this seems to be like this, at square comma 2at. At square comma 2at means at square comma 2at are the any point on y square is equal to 4ax. The t square minus 1 might be actually here. This minus 1 refers to alpha. Here beta becomes 0. Alpha is minus 1. Beta is 0. That means we can write like this. Vertex you can write it. Vertex equals to generally h comma k, or you can say alpha beta also, no problem. That is minus 1 comma 0. So now what we need to find out now here? See, this equals to 2at. 2at equals to 2t. 2t cancel, a equals to 1. Now focus we need to find out. So focus is equal to formula alpha plus a comma beta. So alpha is minus 1 plus 1 comma beta is equal to 0. So this equals to 0 comma 0. This is the answer. Shruti Nanapaneni, I think you have been watching. This is Q. Q is actually, wait. Ends of the focal chords, Suma. That formula. I already discussed Shruti Narapaneni. You check part 1, part 2, part 3. You will get an idea. So option 3 is the right option. Next 53 question. 53. Right. If the locus of the point 4t square minus 1 comma 8t minus 2 represents a parabola. Then the length of latus rectum is the first option is 8, second option is 4, third option is 32, fourth option is 16. Right now, see, this is the parabola. For example, a point given. So the point is 4t square minus 1 comma 8t minus 2. This for example latus rectum. This axis. So L and L dash. This length we need to find out. Suppose let this will be like this: 8t square comma minus 1 comma 2at minus 2 equals to 4t square minus 1 comma 8t minus 2. That means this 2at is compared to 8t. 2at is compared to 8t. tt gets cancelled. 2a equals to 8. Length of latus rectum. Is 2 times 2a, 4a. That means 16. Answer is fourth option. Just 1 minute, I will come. Right. Okay. Now let me switch over to the next problem. Question number 54. This question is very important, 54th question. Okay, you need to concentrate. The angle subtended by latus rectum at the vertex of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is theta. then cos theta equals to no, I cannot, because my health may not permit. That's a problem. Okay, as long as I have the stamina, I will continue. So that depends upon my conditions. Okay, please try to understand. Sham. Right. Akhil Sai, see the below description first of all. Then you can ask me the question. So first option is minus 3 upon 5. Second option is 4 upon 5. Third option is 3 upon 5. Fourth option is minus 4 upon 5. This is the answer. Right. Right. The angle subtended by the latus rectum at the vertex of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is theta. Then the value of cos theta we need to find out. Divya, okay Sam. I don't have, how can I get it now? See, unless you reveal 54 solution. So let me draw the rough figure. This is y square is equal to 4ax. This is the axis, latus rectum. This will be the latus rectum. Say L dash subtends angle theta. This is theta. This angle is theta at vertex A. So this will be A comma to A, ends of the latus rectum. This will be A comma minus to A. This is the focus. This length will be 2A. This length will be A. This origin 0 comma 0. S will be A comma 0. So now here angle here to here, this angle will be theta by 2. Now write down length of latus rectum is equal to 4a. Therefore now the distance from SL is equal to half of the latus rectum to A. Now AS, distance from origin to 0 comma 0 to A comma 0, that is A. Now you take this right angle triangle, this triangle, you take this triangle, this is a right angle triangle. From right angle triangle that is triangle ASL, define tan theta by 2. Tan theta by 2 is equal to opposite side SL upon SA. SL is 2A upon SA is A, 2. As we know the tan theta by 2, from trigonometry we can find out cos theta. So the cos theta can be expressed in terms of tan theta by 2. That is 1 minus tan square theta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square theta by 2. So now in this one substitute tan theta by 2 is equal to 2. So now we get this equals to 1 minus 4 upon 1 plus 4. Obviously minus 3 upon 5. This is the cos theta. Okay, everybody got it now? You got an idea? Vaibhav, JS3. Okay. Option 1. So question number 55. Question number 55. Thank you, thank you. Okay. Question number 55. Right. If O is the vertex, that's why below description you have the chart box. After offline only, better you give the feedback. That will be the good for me. I already told you several times, because you are all the regular viewers, so I am getting only just few. So even offline, you are also one of the offline viewers today. Yesterday given good feedback. He has been watching offline, but though he is interested to attend our classes. I say our class only, not mine classes. O is the vertex, L and L dash are the ends of the lattice rectum of the parabola y square equals to 4ax. Then the area of triangle OLL dash is, first option a square, second option 2a square, third option 4a square, fourth option a square upon 2. This is the question. Right. So below description you can find the Telegram group. You can join King Gamer in the Telegram group. O is the vertex, L and L dash are the ends of the lattice rectum of the parabola y square is equal to 4x. Then area of this triangle we need to find out. So just solution 56 solution. So draw the figure. This is the axis. This is the LL dash lattice rectum. CO join this one. Now we need to find out area of this triangle. This will be the height, this will be the base. So that means here OS equals to A, LL dash is nothing but length of the lattice rectum 4A. So now area of triangle OLL dash is equal to half multiplied by base is LL dash into height is OS. This is the height. This is the height. So half multiplied by LL dash is 4A, OS is A. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. This will be 2A square units. This is the answer. Right, thank you. See you, bye bye. Have a nice day. Second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Thank you, bye bye. See you.